Hello, John. I'm just looking at Wordbotic right now, and it's actually very good. What I've done some tests, and here's just one of them. I've got it outputs in 1,500 words and then 5,000 words, and I think we've got some great uses here, and I think we can introduce it to everybody as well. Now, what we've got here is a sample of an article that I've created. This is to do with online shopping, and the article itself is fairly good quality, way better than spun content, and I could use this on virtually any tier 2 just as it is without editing. That would be no problem at all. And if I wanted to use this on a mini site, for example, I would recommend we do edit, because it's some of the sentences don't flow as you would want them to flow for a tier 1 level. Bearing in mind we're looking at quality, but I'm very impressed with the Wordbotic as it is. The best way to use this is we can choose to either generate multiple versions of this article, and each time we generate one we'll have a different article, they call it spun, but it's not spun in the typical sense of spinning as in changing the synonyms. It's completely different. Although the structure is basically the same, it's a completely different document, but it's all on Shopping Online in this instance. If we go for the 5,000 words, then it's just expanded much greater, and we can split this into different documents and put them onto our mini sites and or Web 2.0s. But what's going to be really good about this is that we should make Sniper so that we upload each individual article, and these articles can be used for that. So for example, we can generate a load of articles or different versions of this article, and we can just upload the required number to Sniper. So it would require a bit of coding to do on Sniper, but it would be something which the output quality would be way higher than relying on spun content, and this is the way we should go really with that. The other thing is that we're going to be talking that Web 2.0 we shouldn't be reliant on rank quiz, because the output of the quality in all the changes that Google's done is not good enough. Google is going right after quality on any tier really, and when we're looking at either tier 1 or tier 2, we should move away from the heavily spun, garbage type, unedited spun content that you might get by using a spun version without being checked of Article Builder or anything that's RankWiz might put out, for example, that's spun. So if we're using this on the tier 2 levels, where we're going to be recommending the Web 2.0 mini sites, then we can put this content straight on there. It'll be fine content, and this would work very well, and it would all be completely unique as opposed to not really that unique by spun versions, because Google's able to detect the spin, as you know. So if we quickly look at this article, we've got a whole section here about shopping online. This could be one article in itself, and we could have some images or video on that, and then we've got another section here. We can combine sections if we want to, and that's a 1,500 word article, so we could easily get 2 articles out of that. And if we go to the 5,000 word article, there's a huge amount that we can use from here, and the variations when we recreate the articles through the Wordbotic system, then we've got a massive time saver on our hands. So this is, and the quality is there. So I think we've got a huge opportunity here for our own business, but also our members' business. So let's see what we can put forward to everybody. Thanks, Em. Bye bye.